Now where did they see una be that? Moju. Book you no go know. Make it she. We'll just try our luck. Hey! That guy go do this. Izahkus.
Okay, Chris. I'm fine though.
Why you just done like this? I say hunger won't finish you.
How you take those that hunger won't finish me? This your girl, they always see road. Hey! If they see something.
So this hunger will make my girl turn from you know how she be before. Now don't be like I will get 1 dot for head. It reach your side.
Okay, now hunger carry una come here.
Now
me say that una just can't jam hunger himself. As you see me, you are saying hunger. I swear, Allah.
This man. This way they talk to.
We dey look for food.
For the past 2 days, I've not eaten.
2 days.
Ask my boys. Emmanuel, Daniel, they know they will tell you.
So who will they go back to?
See who will carry do hope.
Don't do me. Don't if you do hope. People can just go back now and look for a better place. No road here.
Well, Izahkus.
Izah, why now? Why now?
Hey!
Why you go buy food when no sweet?
Jesus! Photo, not be juju be that.
Even the chicken self not done.
Hey, Jesus Christ!
I don't like this kind of thing. Next time if you want buy something, buy better thing.
Are you playing? What type of playing is this? This is playing. Why is
Okay. Hey! Izahkus!
Mommy.
So you have not changed?
I don't change. I don't know. So I believe this guy. This is what we call mental stress. How you gonna expect me to buy food I never chopped since yesterday? It's not done now.
So this is what they do. Oh, man. Your mama go start forgive you. Can't really tell the truth. The chop because say you never see change.
I swear to God, I've changed. I don't know. How did that food come to your place?
go and ask your grandfather.
It's not me. It's not me.
Oh, do you know the reason why we are here?
No.
We actually came here to give you money. Yes, we play some game and we won the money. So we just we cannot eat the money alone. Let's share with our friend. And here you are. We actually came here to pretend that we are hungry at first, oh, just to see your reaction before telling you the good news. And here you are. Let's go with our money.
We know say hungry go don dey wire you by now.
He dey wire me.
Oh, he dey wire you.
He dey wire me.
On top chicken. He go soon transformer you.
People should not go.
That hunger will finish.
Electrician.
Are you playing? What type of plane is this? This is playing. Why is
Wire.
Go. Daddy, you're going with my beat. Daddy. Voila.